according to time, one after other. Similarly, all our actions imprinted in us will take the effect in time only. Without time, it won't come. If you sow the mango seed, very good mango seed, and you expect tomorrow fruit from this, how can you get it? So, everything is coming according to our action. Only from the action, the result comes. The result is given by Almighty. Action is done by your mental thinking. So now you understand. Whatever you do, the result has to come, because in every action you are having some friction with something. That is the action. You are dealing with something. So automatically, when the two things join together, one result has to come. That result is already justified, provided by the nature in everything, every time, every place. So, how can you expect more than what you have done? So the imaginary expectation is bringing us always miseries and disappointment. If you don't want to have disappointment, just avoid the expectation first. This is the principle, first principle. Then second principle is, you judge yourself where you are, what you are, how you are. That means in the age, strength and health, what you are, how you are. Know-how in production field, financial status, power, influence in the society. You assess everything. Where you are, what you are. With all these things, what best I can do my duties to the society and others. A man has to do 5 kinds of duties. One is maintaining self, body and mind with health and peace. This is the must, first duty. Then second duty is to maintain the family. Then relatives. Then the society. Then the world. So, how much you are having efficiency, that much you can extend one after other, but not at the cost of other one. If you say, I am working for the world, but not looking after your health, how can you work more? Within few days, you will get ill. You cannot do the service to the society. The same time, you will become burden to the society. 2 losses to the society. So, first duty is to maintain the body and mind. Maintaining the health and mind perfectly is not in any way selfishness. It is a service to the society in a way. Indirectly, to help the society, you are maintaining your health. Then only you become the wealth treasure for the society. Therefore, maintaining self in well in condition, it is not selfishness. It is the social service. In that way, you have to go with the reality. If you are very good creative person, whatever you produce, whatever you know, that goes to the society. You cannot hide, you cannot keep everything. So, anybody who is having more surplus, all have to go to the society. Even though until his lifetime, he is keeping, hiding, but after that, in one day, he will be keeping everything to the society and going away. So that is the wonder of the nature. So in this way, first you understand what you are having, what is your status. With all this, how much beneficially I can do the duty to myself, family, relatives, society, and world. That much you can expand. So here you see the difference. When you expect anything from anybody by imagination, you are poor. You become poor and poor, finally pauper. But now, when you assess yourself what you are having, and then from all these thoughts, you start doing the things, you are rich. The feeling, the rich feeling automatically will come when you are studying yourself from your start. If you plan of doing your duties to others, always you will feel this. Expecting others is beggar. You make yourself beggar. We are not put into such a state by the nature. Nature has created everybody with full potential of consciousness, and labor and work in the body function. There is no wonderful thing in the universe as man is having within himself. Think and think and think and think. Then you will have the ecstasy of understanding the secrets of nature. When you understand even one secret, if you reveal to others who has not so far understood, he also will join with you to enjoy the ecstasy. This ecstasy only whenever and wherever you give to all, never it will be reduced. Always it will proliferate. So in this way, you find what you are where you are. If you want to increase your efficiency in anything, such as a working know-how, or education, or power, properly you try